So welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Sarahy. Thank you so much for being here today. So today I'm going to be creating this look right here. It's very soft and minimal, perfect now that so many of you are back in school. Also, I quickly wanted to mention that this video is sponsored by Neutrogena. I'll be using their skin clearing makeup in this tutorial. You guys, the skin clearing makeup foundation is so good. I really like it because it provides a matte finish to the skin, and it also controls all shine on your face, so just perfect to wear throughout the day. As you guys can see, I'm wearing it right now, and I just love how my skin looks. I love how you can still see my skin underneath this foundation, and I freaking just love this look. It looks super healthy. And also, what's super cool about this product, it has acne fighting medicine, so it's just going to treat all the breakouts that you have on your face, and it also doesn't clog up your pores. And also, the blemishing concealer is amazing. I'm also wearing it right now. My under eyes just look super bright, and what I really like about it is that it blends so easy, and it just makes your under eyes look super like filtered. I don't know about you guys, but I'm super shook about this product, and I can't wait for you guys to see more of this throughout the video. So enough of me rambling, let's just get into the video. Alright, so let's first start off by prepping our skin. I'm going to be taking this Kiehl's Glow Formula Skin Hydrating Cream. This is going to just make my skin look super glowy and super hydrating, so I really love applying this before I do like minimal makeup. See how glowy the skin looks already? It looks so good. So now let's start off by prepping our skin. I'm going to be taking the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Base Hydrating Primer. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I forgot to do them off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright, so now that our whole face is prepped and ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and take my foundation. For today's foundation, I'm gonna be taking the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Oil-Free Makeup, and I'm gonna be taking them in 2 shades. I'm gonna take Honey and Caramel, mixing these two together to get my perfect match. It's a really great consistency too, guys. I also like this because it provides a matte finish to my skin. I'm mixing these two together, by the way, that's why I'm looking down, but it provides a very nice matte finish. It also controls all shine control, so that is perfect. So now I'm just gonna be applying this wherever I need coverage, so I feel like I'm really breaking out there. And actually, I'm not gonna use a sponge today. I'm gonna be taking just a brush right here from Iconic London, and I'm just going to buff this in the skin. And when I do a minimal makeup, I always like to use a brush to apply the foundation because it just spreads it very evenly, and I'm just not gonna apply so much. As you guys can see, my skin still is like peeking through. It's not super cakey or anything like that. It's very seamless, so I do like this foundation for that. And also, this foundation prevents breakouts, you guys. Like, how cool is that? I feel like that's such a cool thing to do. It's so innovative. It's not only going to, you know, make your skin look flawless, it's also going to just help your skin and help it from breaking out. I think that's pretty awesome what Neutrogena did. And I'm just gonna apply more just right here on the cheeks because I feel like I have a lot of discoloration, so it's really just gonna cancel that out. And this foundation also doesn't clog up your pores, so this pretty much is going to clear your skin over time, gonna help your skin. So as you guys can see, I really love the finish, and I like how you can still see my skin underneath. It's not super full coverage where, you know, you can't see it. Alright, so now I'm going to be applying concealer. For today's concealer, I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Blemish Concealer, and it looks like this. And I'm going to be taking it in the shade medium, and what I like about this is that it's also twistable, as you guys can see. There it is. So what I'm just going to do is apply some underneath. Oh, this is a very nice consistency, you guys. Really nice. So now I'm just gonna blend it out with my Makeup Addiction sponge. As you guys can see, like, look how fast and easy that took me. Like, That's awesome. So now that my skin looks really nice and bright, I'm gonna go ahead and set it. I'm not gonna apply more because it is minimal makeup. I don't want to overdo it. I am gonna be applying powder. For today's primer, I'm gonna be taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is my baby right here. And then I'm gonna be taking this Huda Beauty Face Bake and Blend brush, and I'm just gonna set this right underneath my eyes. So far so good, you guys. I always like using loose translucent powders to set underneath my eye, and then taking like pressed powders to set my whole entire face. So that's what we're gonna do today. You guys can see it really did such a nice job just covering up that, and it looks bright. So I really like this concealer. All right, so now I'm just gonna set my face with the Neutrogena Clearing Mineral Primer. It looks like this. I'm gonna be taking it in the shade Natural Beige. I'm just gonna be applying this all over my face, all over where I need powder. So since this is a very minimal makeup, all you want to do is just do it very quickly. Now what you want to do is start to bronze up your face. I'm going to be taking the BH Cosmetics Satin Bronzers. I really love these bronzers. I'm going to be taking Bronze Babe, and all I'm going to do is just start to bronze up my face very quickly. I'm not going to apply so much. Just adds a very nice warmness to my skin. I think that's what we want for like a everyday kind of back to school look. You don't want to look super caked up. I know that I'm that type of girl, but sometimes, you know, you want to let your skin breathe. And then I'm also going to drag this down my neck. You never want to forget your neck. Alright, so now time for blush. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe blush. This is my baby right here, and all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be taking B and MUA, those two together, and I'm just gonna concentrate this on the apples of my cheeks like that. Alright, so I'm just gonna fill in my brows really quick, and then I'll be right back to finish off the look. Alright, so now that we have our brows good to go, I'm going to go ahead and just do a very soft eye. I'm not going to go crazy because, I mean, there's no reason to in minimal makeup. I actually was thinking of not doing eyeshadow, but I think I'm going to do just one shade. And you guys probably already know this. Like, I'm going to just take an orange shade. And I'm going to be taking it from the Kylie Cosmetics Summer Collection palette. And I'm just going to be taking this shade right here. Oh, right here. And I'm just going to be applying this all over the crease, just to add a little kind of color to the eyelid and not look super light, you know? And now I'm going to be taking my Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette in Cleopatra. How beautiful these shades are. So freaking pretty. And I'm going to be taking this color right here, actually. And whoa, this is intense. I was not expecting that, you guys. Also take this on the point of my nose, and I'm also going to apply this on the bridge of my nose. And you guys don't have to do this, but I like doing it because it just makes my under my eyebrows look super nice and pretty. And what I'm going to do, take the highlighting color we just applied, and we just take it right under the brow bone. And then we're going to curl our eyelashes a little bit because we are not going to apply falsies today. I know, it's minimal makeup. You don't want to overdo it. So I really recommend like getting all your lashes and then pressing it and doing like a C kind of. That's going to curl everything, like even the tip of your eyelashes, and it's just going to make it look super curly and pretty. So look, watch. So this is what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just curling them up like that, and I really like that kind of technique. So I'm going to be taking this Too Faced Born This Way mascara. Look how beautiful the packaging is, you guys. And they actually did this packaging for their 20th anniversary. I'm just going to now take this and apply it all over. Alright guys, so now for lips, I'm just gonna put some gloss. Then I'm gonna be taking my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Just gonna really add a nice touch to the look that we're going for. Very natural. See, that just really just completes the look. It looks like you tried, but you really didn't. Like, this will literally take me 10 to 15 minutes to do. All right, guys, so now I'm just gonna be taking my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, and I'm just gonna shake it up. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I freaking love how my face looks. It just looks super glowy and very youthful, and this is perfect for back to school. It's also very quick. Like I said, this would literally take me 10 to 15 minutes to do. So yeah, I love it. I love how you can still see my skin underneath. My skin looks super healthy, just really, really nice. And I love these skin clearing products from Neutrogena. They really just look amazing on the skin, honestly. And yeah, if you guys want to know a little bit more about these products, I will list a link down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out. I think that's pretty much it for this makeup tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and also turn on your bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my videos, any of my content. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.